Okay guys, I just got a Harvie delivery. This is my first one. So this is a movement that is growing in the Pittsburgh area where you can order fresh, organic, non-GMO produce from locally sourced areas around. And so my goal is to get the freshest produce we possibly can, more like what I grow in my garden. So I'm really hopeful that this is going to be super exciting. So I thought I would open the package, show you what I got, and tag Harvie so that I can help to grow the movement. Okay, the driver who came was very prompt. I got an alert that the delivery was here. She was very nice. She helped explain that they recycle all the products, so the cardboard box, the inside insulation, and the ice packs I am able to put on my front porch for my next delivery, and they will pick them up and recycle. So that's awesome. All right, so here we go. All right, so everything is in bubble wrap insulation. Okay. We got some green garlic grown in Lancaster. I got a head of spinach, also Lancaster Fresh Farm Co-op. Looks really good. I got rainbow Swiss chard for my salad, so again, Lancaster. Alan wanted to try these Buffalo Ranch cheese curds, so looking forward to that. That is a PA preferred product, so from Latrobe, our friends at Pleasant Lane Farms. And a bag of apples, because I love apples, and they are from Dawson's Orchard in, Enon Valley, PA. So, that was my first, oh wait, there's something else I believe, maybe that's just the ice pack, let me see. I think that's everything. Oh, nope, I forgot. Short rib pierogies, very excited for these. Just wanted to show you guys my unboxing, and comes with a really awesome ice pack inside, so everything was very cold. I hope that you enjoyed the unveiling and that you decide, if you're in the Pittsburgh local area, to check them out. All right, thanks so much. Couldn't wait. Really good Honeycrisp apple. Thanks so much, Harvie. This one's even still got a little leaf left on it. Look at how perfect this guy looks.